Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already logged into Infinityfree and added your domain, so start now by generating a CSR or decide to use a free CA with HTTP verification. Once you have the CSR or choose HTTP, open the Infinityfree control panel and locate the SSL/TLS or security section. Make sure your domain points to Infinityfree name servers or that you can modify DNS records. Otherwise, verification will fail. Save any generated private key securely, because you will need it for installation later. You will request the certificate now. Choose Let's Encrypt or a free CA and select HTTP 01 validation. Once you initiate the challenge, the CA gives a verification file name and content. Upload that exact file to your site root inside the /htdocs folder so the CA can fetch it. After the CA validates the file, download the issued certificate and the CA bundle. Make sure the certificate matches the CSR you created or your private key, because mismatches prevent installation. You're at the finish line. Paste the certificate and CA bundle into the Infinityfree SSL installation fields and upload the private key you saved earlier. Once done, enable HTTPS and test your site in a browser, clearing cache. Make sure to allow time for DNS and SSL propagation. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to a day. If you see certificate errors, recheck that your domain resolves to Infinityfree. Verify the verification file was reachable, and reissue the certificate if keys or CSR were mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.